Welcome, we are here today at Cheddar Caravan and Motorhome Club site. Let's take a look around. Cheddar Caravan and Motorhome Club site is situated in Somerset in the Mendip Hills area of outstanding natural beauty. The site itself is within walking distance of the main town and all that Cheddar has to offer, including walks with stunning views, restaurants and pubs, and lots of little shops to browse. There's a more detailed video coming up in the future, so be sure to subscribe if you want to see more about this stunning part of the country. And if you're attempting to take a drive through the gorge before you reach the site, take care, as there's some narrow roads and the rocks border the roadside, so be careful nothing gets scraped, particularly if you're towing or have a larger motorhome. And here we are, the site entrance is on the right here, but we missed it, so we need to head down and turn around. And it's a good thing that we did, because the entrance is a little tough to see from the other way. Look out for that sign on the left there. And the entrance road is rather narrow, so take care for any oncoming vehicles. And check-in is the usual 1 in, 1 out, so it took a few minutes of standing in the sunshine. But it wasn't long before we were pitch hunting, and for those that aren't yet Caravan and Motorhome Club site members, the usual practice seems to be that they let you know which ones are vacant and you choose the pitch you want from those that are vacant. Being a Saturday near Cheddar and later in the afternoon, there were slim pickings to be had. Most of the pitches were full. And this was one of two. We picked the one by the shower block. It's handy, if maybe a little bit too close. And let us do our usual site walk. Here we have the small but efficient reception area, and we're going to take a slightly sped up walk around this site now. Let's go. And the pictures are a decent size, as you'd expect with a Caravan and Motorhome Club, and with the exception of this little camper on the left here, everyone seems to be parking the right way around. And here we are, we've done a full loop. It's not a massive site, and this is the only shower block you can see here, which we are parked right next to, and that's what we're going to look at next. And a common feature are these individual sink cubicles at the CAMC sites and the other usual facilities. Nothing spectacular, but functional. And the showers are the first ones that we have been able to use since lockdown. They were nice and hot, and they had a proper tap, which means you could lift and leave it on, and there was no buttons to keep pressing to get the water. Washing up is also located in the shower block. As you can see here, we're filming at dusk here, so it's a little bit darker. There is one room that had several sinks in that you had to get a key from reception. This is that room, and I didn't actually get that key, so I couldn't go in here. That also had the laundry in. And yeah, door was locked, so we left that one for now. But this is the other room. I think there's 4 sinks in here. Only one is open though because of COVID restrictions. It's clean and tidy. Automatic light pops on in a minute, and we have a plug, which is always good. And there is the usual motorhome service point where you can empty as well as refill your tanks. And that is pretty much it. A real short, sweet walk around the Cheddar Caravan and Motorhome Club site. We liked it. Smallish site, great location. Definitely recommend it if you're coming to Cheddar and you want easy access to the town and all it has to offer. And don't forget to subscribe, because coming up on Driving Horizons, we take you on a tour around the stunning town of Cheddar. We sample some of its famous cheeses, and we take a challenging 6K hike up and around the gorge to enjoy all the stunning views that it has to offer. And there is another campsite review coming, so stay tuned for that, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.